We could really use a little bit of moisture here locally. That's a possibility.
Well, this morning, yeah, here in San Diego, we could see really light drizzle, just a mist, similar to yesterday, where you may notice it in some parts of the county where it leaves that little, smudge on your car. But that's kind of it. So unfortunately, we want a big rainmaker, and that is not in the forecast quite yet. So what we're looking at here right now, the Hotel Del Coronado, some light coming through the boardwalk. I wonder what that's all about. But also, let's show you what's happening across the western U.S. and California. So you just mentioned the fires, and yes, of course, the Caldor fires right there in the Sierra Nevada foothills. And this whole area, wish that some of that green could be over here, but unfortunately, the center of this low has moved further out to the east. And with it, it's leaving these winds that are going to be coming in from the north to the south, and that's what's happening right here with all of that smoke. So this is smoke from the fires. Look at that. You can kind of see where these darker spots are. Those are the many different fires that are burning, sending that ash and debris where you can see it on this imagery. And then that smoke is going into central California. It's going to work its way even into Las Vegas. You see kind of the darker oranges as it spreads further into LA County as well. But for San Diego, for now, I mean, we are okay. We're pretty good because of our marine layer protecting us. So fire weather warnings are in effect. I just checked the Weather Service out of Sacramento, and they still have for their valley locations these warnings until 8 o'clock in the Tahoe area. That should expire at around 11 o'clock this morning. So there's strong gusts, still dry conditions. It's that drier wind, unfortunately. And then air quality warnings, of course, because the smoke's all going this way, right towards Fresno, towards Bakersfield. Air quality also issues in Idaho, issues in Wyoming, Colorado as well. But also I want to point out in Colorado right now, they're seeing flash flood watches. So you can see how different it is depending on what side of the low you're on. The direction of the winds determine just how dry things are going to be. And when they come in from that north, from the east as well, it does really dry things out. For us here in San Diego, you see we're pretty calm. There's no low actually centered over us, although this little breakout wave is going to continue to bring us cooler weather for the next couple days. Couple troughs to the north of us. We're going to see that chance of that light rain that Eric was talking about possibly this morning. You see the green on your rain cloud forecast model here. By the afternoon, sunshine. Marine layer comes back tonight. Tomorrow morning, there's another chance, probably not as likely. And then the next few days, we'll continue to see this pattern. We could see a tenth, maybe, of an inch of rain from this. So again, it's really not much. 69 in Poway right now, 71 in El Cajon, 73 for downtown San Diego. Afternoon highs, you're just going to get to 75. So we're not going to see a huge change in our temperatures from the morning to the afternoon. Ramona, 79. You got all the way up to 77 yesterday, breaking a record for being so cool. Borrego, 98 degrees. That's 9 degrees below average. And we also have high surf to talk about. Surf is big. We're looking at 4 to 6 foot sets. If you are headed to the beach, temperatures will be in the low to mid 70s for today. And then taking a look at the next few days so you can plan out your weekend. We are going to stay in the mid 70s at the beaches, low to mid 80s inland before things warm up. A ridge does come back and the deserts get back into the triple digits because of it. And that's a look at your forecast.